Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming your MacBook Pro model identifier to no upgrade options. Some 2017 models with Touch Bar have soldered storage and are not upgradable. Back up everything using Time Machine or a full clone to an external drive before you begin. Power down the computer and disconnect the charger to avoid damage. Gather tools now: a P5 pentalobe driver for 6 bottom screws and a T5 Torx driver for internal fasteners. Also get a plastic spudger and an ESD strap for safe handling. With tools ready, power off and remove the 6 P5 pentalobe screws from the bottom case. Pry up the case carefully using a plastic tool to avoid scratching the chassis. Next, disconnect the battery connector gently to cut power to internal components. Remove any T5 Torx screws that secure the SSD bracket and lift the bracket away. Slide out the original proprietary PCIe blade SSD and replace it with a compatible module. Reinstall the bracket and screws, ensuring each fastener is snug. After installing the new SSD, reconnect the battery and position the bottom case precisely. Replace and tighten the 6 P5 pentalobe screws evenly to secure the chassis. Boot the Mac while holding Command-Option-R to enter Internet Recovery for online Mac OS installation. Use Disk Utility to format the new drive as apps and create a GUID partition map before installing Mac OS. Restore your files from a Time Machine backup or a previously made clone to bring back settings and apps. Finally, check SMA.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.